Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put two videos in one screen on CapCut PC. So depending on your video, for instance it's a portrait video, I suggest going with the 1:1 ratio, placing it kind of here and just copying and pasting it, or if you have another video you just place it there like this. And if you have landscape videos it also works as well, but it's going to be a little bit cut in the middle here and just place it on top. But you can also use other frame ratio, you just have to scale it a little bit more. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.